Hello and welcome to a Kaspa update video. Like always, first we are going to take a look to the 3 days chart and then change to the shorter time frame. So in the daily chart we are tracking a 5-wave move to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in this wave 1. Then we have seen a WXY correction in the wave 2. So we are tracking a wave 3 to the upside in the 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in our target area, starting with the 161% level at 36 cents to the 261% level at 55 cents. From that point, a correction in the wave 4, and then again a 5-wave move to the upside in the wave 5 over a bigger wave 1, and then a larger correction in the wave 2. So let me switch to the shorter time frame. In the shorter time frame, we are working on a larger 5-wave move to the upside. For that, we could have seen a wave 1, a wave 2, and we would be tracking a wave 3 in our target area, starting with the 161% level at 18 cents, extending to the 261% level at 26 cents. So let me zoom to the 1-hour chart. At the 1-hour chart, we can count four waves: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and we are in this wave 4 correction. So it hasn't changed that much since the past video. I mentioned in the past video that we could see a lower low, and we saw a marginal lower low here, but it hasn't changed that much. So from that point, we have two possibilities to count this chart. First one would be that this correction is over in terms of this wave 4, because in terms of time and depth, this correction is totally fine. So in that case, we would be in a wave 5. In our we would go to our yellow box here in this wave 5, starting with the 61.8% level at 30 cents to the 100% level at 15 cents. But for that scenario, the chart needs to give me more evidence that we are in this wave 5. Second case would be that we are in a larger ABC structure. So this 3-wave move to the downside is only the subwaves of this wave A. So we would see a pullback in the wave B, and then again a low in the wave C. I also mentioned that in the past video that we could see a similar correction like this one in this yellow wave 4, like a deep pullback in a wave W, then a pullback in a wave X, and then again WX, and then a pullback again in a wave Y. So we could see a similar correction. So how can we distinguish both cases, one bullish and one bearish? So we need to have a little bit more patience and wait for the next pullback to the upside. So we can look at the microstructure and see if it's clearly a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move, so we can distinguish both cases, bullish and bearish. So like I said, we need to be a little bit more patient. In validation point for this 5-wave move to the upside is the red line, because the red line is at the height of this wave 1, and we aren't tracking right now in a diagonal structure. So that would be our invalidation point. That was a short Kaspa update video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.